Shit, the vending machine is empty. Why did I put my dollar in and a number? I want a refund! Give me my money back, goddammit!
Ugh, I hate having to change my pads in the middle of class.
I want my money!
Fave, are you okay?
Ah! God damn it, a casualty of my anger. Not again.
What is this ruckus?
Nothing, teacher. Just go back to your room and beat your meat to the female students' butts.
What is that?
Oh, that's just spilled Gatorade from the vending machine I totally didn't tip.
Why would you tip a vending machine? They barely work anyway.
You tip the waitress extra.
I do give the waitress an extra tip.
You're gross, teacher. Ew. As if. There it is. Unguarded. Deep throat that dollar. Oh, come on. Spitters are quitters. Come on! Ah! I didn't mean that literally. You stained my damn tux. Well, at least it accepted my dollar. I want a Dr. Roblox, please. Beep, beep. Thanks a lot, Michelle Obama. I'll have some hot bloxos. Beep, beep. Oh my god! This shit? Vending machine! You had so much potential! Ah!